Hello, my name's Susie, and I'd like to show you how we can do a very fast, easy design that would be a nice upgrade in your department. It's going to require a couple of 5-inch balloons. We're going to start off with 4 of them, and I have 4 different colors here, and I'd like to have 3 pumps each. 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to take the balloon that's been inflated, put it between my 2 fingers, and do that again. Then I'll take the 2 of these, wrap them twice, tie it once, and 3 pumps again with the next one. I always like to start with a pump down, makes it a little bit easier because it just these have to be exact increments of air. So wrap it twice, tie it once. I'm going to take the 2 duplets and create a quad. Now I'll take either an or a bubble, and make sure that you use the proper inflation valve for this. This goes with the latex inflator so that you don't have any wrinkles in it. This quad is just going to run perpendicular with the seam. As soon as I've arrived at the other end, I'm just going to lock it into place. Now that I have it bellies up, I have gone ahead of time and I got some ribbon that would match everything. And I'm just going to tie it into place and then bring all the tails through the center. This is nice, tight, and around. And now we're just going to include one more cute little ditty on this, which is going to separate you from all the competition. I've got another quad of balloons, and we're just going to have one more, which is a 5-piece. So this would also be 3 pumps. Now I'm going to take this and tie it into my duplet. And I'm going to combine all the 3 and the 2 together to give you this little bubble-ish thing. How I'm going to keep those separate is I have another pair of balloons, and these are just going to be 1 pump. And just 1 pump. I'm going to take these 2, tie them together, and this will act as the center of a flower. So I'm just going to work this in to the middle, and with the center of the flower in there, these will all just take their place. Now this cute flower can just be attached to the string. So now you've got this adorable unit here. This is going to retail for $15.50, and you could make 15 or 20 of these up, and they can all just be in a row, and it just makes a great addition to your department. All right, that's how that's done. Thank you for joining us today.